Me encanta este micro. Realmente fanático de MXL. I was extremely skeptical about purchasing a mic under $100. Because 9x out of 10 with my experiences with MICs, you usually get what you pay for. This MXL 770 is one in a million. Can't believe the physical quality of the mic. It comes with a shock mount and a storage traveling case. This mic is perfect for your home studio. 5 stars. I would say it is the most affordable but the best. The other two I have used is the AT2020 USB and the MXL V67G. I've used this for vocal and acoustic guitar, and for both usages it responded very well. The mic has a bass roll-off and a -10 decibels patch switch, which are both very useful. The bass roll-off is useful for reducing proximity effects as the manual suggests. I personally have used it when recording vocal, and the pop filter is still not enough to cut out the pop effect. The -10 decibels pad is useful when there are unwanted noises in the background. Since my studio headphone isn't the best at isolation, the mic frequently picks up the music from the headphone, and the -10 decibels cut comes in handy here. Overall, as everyone suggested, this mic is one of the most valuable entry-level options, especially with the price drop used to be $99. It comes with a shock mount and a carrying case as many photos showed. The shock mount is super easy to use. See with. All you do is pinch it and slide the mic right in. For this price, the sound you get out of it is unbeatable. I've purchased a pop filter separately that attaches right on top. What I like about the mic the most is how professional it looks, winking face, and it's very well constructed. Highly suggested for all users who are looking for entry-level mic in the. I have been using a Zoom H4n audio recorder for years and finally decided it was time for me to add a real mic to make the most of it. I am not technically a professional recording engineer or musician, but I do a lot of recording and audio editing. I sing in a local ensemble and produce very high-quality YouTube videos for them as well. A large part of making professional YouTube videos is having good equipment. In addition, I sing and play the guitar and sometimes have need to record practice files for myself for memorization, record things for an audition, or just record for fun. So far this mic has exceeded the expectations I had for it. For the price, this is a really great mic that comes with a nice little accessories bundle including the shock mount, a nice hard case for both, and some great resources and manuals to learn how to use it and get the most out of it. I found those to be very helpful and easy to read. At the end of the day though, the sound quality is really good, especially for what you pay. Click link in description for more reviews.